This is the last tutorial in the series, making a fun illustration. Now up to this point, we've got the illustration mostly finished. Now suppose you want to see how your illustration looks with a different color palette. Or maybe you just want to change the color overall, maybe making them brighter, darker, or even more intense. Doing any of this by hand can take a while. But with the Recolor Artwork feature, you can experiment with unlimited color variations in different ways with the click of a button, picking the colors that work best. In this tutorial, you'll use the Recolor Art feature to explore multiple looks for a final illustration. But before you jump in the tutorial, let's explore what Recolor Artwork is and how it works. Say your illustration only has a few shapes and you want to change the color of it. You can probably get away with doing each color by hand. But what if you have an illustration like this? Changing each part individually would take way too long. That's where Recolor Artwork shines. To use the Recolor Artwork option, select all of the artwork, and then click the Recolor button in the Properties panel. What happened is that Illustrator captured all the colors in the design, and it's displaying each of them as individual circles on this color wheel. Watch what happens when I drag one of them. All of the colors change uniformly. If I just wanted to change one of the colors, I could unlink them first, and then drag the color I want to change. Or I could apply a color theme overall. You can even create different colored versions for a project, like reducing it to just 1 or 2 colors for printing. So to recap, you'll most likely need to show clients and stakeholders multiple versions of a design. Using Recolor Artwork, you can explore multiple possibilities quickly and easily. Now it's your turn. Start this tutorial with step-by-step instructions to practice recoloring artwork.